Welcome to 28071 Cascabel. This newly renovated single-family home with sweeping mountain, trees, and valley views is designer perfect on a single loaded street. Enter through the custom door to be greeted by a brand new custom-built iron and wood staircase. The current floor plan is utilized as 4 spacious bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, downstairs bedroom, a bathroom, custom shower, office dining room, a separate living room, and family room, both with fireplaces, open kitchen with Breakfast Bar Peninsula, marble wall with large picture window, and new stainless steel appliances. The primary bedroom with ensuite bathroom offers 2 closets, a balcony of views, ensuite renovated bathroom, ceiling fan, and more. Renovations include open wall from kitchen to living spaces with gorgeous ceiling beams, vaulted ceilings, recessed lighting, new light fixtures, new ceiling fans, new flooring, new baseboards, new interior custom paint, brick fireplaces with new mantels, new PEX plumbing, new angle stops, new electrical switches and plates, new vinyl, windows and sliders throughout, new walk-in primary shower with bench, new quartz counters in kitchen bathrooms, new cabinetry throughout with soft close and custom hardware, new interior doors with black hardware, new garage door, garage opener, new drywall paint, painted floor, electrical wired for 4 flat screen, hall-mounted TVs, new custom designer staircase, custom iron wood gated courtyard, and so much more. Too many upgrades to list. Private backyard.
Amy Sims proudly represents this beautiful home located at 28071 Cascabel, Mission Viejo. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath home in the New Castile community is a very sought-after location in Orange County. Please reach out to Amy Sims, a Caldwell banker, for more information or a showing today.